Kiama kia Democracy for the Citizens Party DCP nigo kiararirio koirana kumurai kiame kio Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua okwana nabaliki amangana omokonyi bwomurai ase kiame kio Cleophas Malala nigo abolirie serikali ya Kenya Kwanza gotiga gotumeka chinguru wetanie kerengo anene mono ase abarai abo bakoyamiriria serikali.
We want to ask all our supporters traveling from across the country to be at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport as from 8 a.m. We are also adequately informed of the mischief and also plans by President William Ruto to have our party leader arrested upon his arrival at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. We are also informed that William Ruto is planning to divert his plane to either Kisumu or Mombasa International Airports to arrest him from there. We have encouraged our members to also plan to receive him in those respective airports. We want to be very particular and candid on this matter. Take notice that any attempt to arrest Honorable His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, once he lands in the country, will be met by our supporters across the country. We have asked our supporters to be on standby. We remember when His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua was impeached, he implored upon his supporters to remain calm and resort to singing. This time round,